Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Venmo business account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use your Venmo tap to pay? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to use Venmo tap to pay? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a small business, you know that if you install Venmo tap to pay on your iPhone, your customers can actually pay directly into your iPhone. You don't need a separate credit card swiper. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and open up my Venmo app. It's this blue and white one here on the top left. Okay guys, before we go any further, I want to let you know that this video is going to show you how to use it if you have a customer in front of you with their credit card or with their iPhone. If you need help installing and setting up your Venmo tap to pay iPhone, check my video description. I'll try to leave my other video that describes that process in detail. So this video is assuming you've already installed your Venmo tap to pay on iPhone. So if you're in your business and you are looking to accept a payment with Venmo tap to pay iPhone, first what you're going to do is you're going to click right down here on the bottom center called charge. Looks like the Venmo logo. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on this one here called tap to pay on iPhone. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose how much you're going to be charging your customer. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to charge a little bit. Also, when I was setting up my Venmo tap to pay on iPhone, I did add a 10% sales tax to every charge. That's going to depend on your particular market. Again, if you need help setting up the sales tax, go back and watch my other video that describes how to set up your tap to pay on your iPhone. So let me go ahead and edit this. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the tax for this transaction. Okay, once you tap into the note, you can go ahead and add an invoice number or something that's going to help your customer remember what this charge was for. So let's just go ahead and just put hamburger. Okay, I went ahead and typed in a note. This is completely optional. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and click right here, tap to pay on iPhone. Okay, at this point, you're going to go ahead and show your customer the transaction, and then they can choose to add a tip if they want to do. So this is the point where you would flip the phone around so they can see it. So I'm going to click no tip. Okay, so here is how your customer can go ahead and tap to pay on their iPhone. So the sparkly area up here is where you're going to go ahead and hold the credit card chip. So let me go ahead and show you how that works. All right, it's processing. All right, see it processed. All right, payment in progress and payment declined because this credit card I'm not actually using right now. But generally what would happen is you're going to get a pop-up on the screen confirming that the payment was approved, and you can let your customer know. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to use your Venmo tap to pay on your iPhone, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.